This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming the keyboard type and connection so you know what to control. Plug a USB keyboard or open System Settings and enable Bluetooth to pair within 60 seconds. Next, turn on Keyboard Viewer from Accessibility and check Modifier Key mapping so Command, Option, and Control behave as expected. Once done, test basic typing and function keys. This step ensures you can see key output and adjust layout before moving into shortcuts and customizations. Now customize behavior and build speed. Open System Settings keyboard to change key repeat, delay until repeat, and add input sources for additional layouts. Assign app-specific shortcuts and text replacements under keyboard shortcuts so frequent phrases expand automatically. If you need remapping beyond system options, install a trusted utility and map modifier keys or create global hotkeys. Make sure to test in the apps you use most, because proper shortcuts and repeat settings cut time and reduce errors. Finish by practicing advanced commands and recovery steps so you stay productive. Use function combos, Option for special characters, and Control for precise navigation. These explain how and why shortcuts work. If a wireless keyboard won't connect, reset the Bluetooth module, and as a last resort, reset SMC or PRAM. Make sure to follow Apple's reset sequence. If keys are sticky or behaving oddly, check battery level, reduce interference, and install macOS updates. One quick fix: toggle Bluetooth off and on, then repair.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.